Introducing the iHelios Invisible Smart Eco Heating System, revolutionizing the way we heat our homes while saving on energy costs. With iHelios, you can take control of your home's heating like never before. From the palm of your hand, you can effortlessly set the perfect temperature for every room, whether you're at home or away. But that's not all. iHelios is designed to work seamlessly with solar panels. Harnessing the power of the sun, the solar panels generate renewable energy to power your heating system. Imagine a world where your heating bill is reduced to near zero. With iHelios, it's possible. Say goodbye to rising energy costs and hello to a sustainable future. Join the thousands of homeowners who've already made the switch to iHelios and experience the freedom of affordable, eco-friendly heating.